Welcome to Forex Trend Atlas. Each weekend, we focus on the big picture, from the quarterly down to the daily charts, using well-known technical tools. Now, let's begin with this week's outlook. Here is the quarterly chart of USDJPY, also known as the 3-month chart. Since 1987, the pair had been in a long-term downtrend. That trend was eventually broken, and after reaching a major high near 161, price has pulled back. I see this as a range phase following the previous downtrend. On this long-term time frame, the key level to watch is around 121.5. The market has lost direction for now, but if price breaks above 161, it would confirm a new long-term uptrend and could lead to a strong bullish phase. Next, let's move to the monthly chart. Here, we can draw an ascending channel. Since hitting 161 in July 2024, upward momentum has slowed, but we continue to see strong buying pressure around the 140 level, where price has repeatedly bounced. As mentioned last week, the current structure can also be interpreted as a potential head and shoulders pattern, with the shoulders around 151, the neckline near 140, and the head at 161. Last week, the pair rose and briefly broke above 151. Although the monthly candle has not yet closed, a move toward 161 remains a possibility. This scenario should be assessed together with the weekly and daily charts. Conversely, if price breaks clearly below 140, we should anticipate a deeper correction on the monthly timeframe, possibly toward the lower boundary of the channel, and the quarterly key level near 121.5. Keep that area in mind as a long-term reference point. Now, let's move to the weekly chart. Here, we can also draw an ascending trend channel. Recently, price attempted to break above the key 151 level, but failed to sustain it, leaving a long upper shadow on the weekly candle. The pair closed slightly above 151, around 151.12, but could not establish a clear breakout above resistance. We should stay calm and observe the next move carefully. Given that long upper wick, a potential pullback area is around 146.5, which corresponds to the 50% retracement of the upward move that started in April 2025. A pullback to this level would simply mean a return to the range, but a drop below 146.5 would suggest a risk of a deeper decline. Finally, let's look at the daily chart. Early last week, price broke above the key resistance levels at 149 and 151, but by the end of the week, it had pulled back to around 151.12. We'll be watching closely to see whether the pair can find support around 149 or along the green uptrend line. If price breaks clearly above the recent high at 153.3, that would confirm a strong bullish continuation. However, if price falls below the green uptrend line and breaks under 146.5, it would signal the potential for further downside, so any long positions should be managed carefully. In summary, USDJPY remains in a broad uptrend on the higher timeframes, but recent price action shows growing volatility and uncertainty. Let's continue to approach the markets with patience and discipline, and not get swayed by short-term moves. Thank you for watching today's analysis. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for updates. Let's continue to approach the markets with patience and discipline. See you in the next outlook.